Hi, y'all. How's it going? I'm Ryan Wright. I'm your mentor for your Cloud IAM project. First, let's go over a few things. We're going to be looking at what is IAM. We're going to do a quick overview of your project. We're going to look at a roadmap of it, the prerequisites, and some best practices. First, what is IAM? Well, contrary to popular belief, IAM, or Identity and Access Management, is actually just a domain in information security. A lot of people think that it's separate and they're two totally different areas, but no, IAM is really just a subsection of security that focuses more so on identities and access and the access that they have. What is an identity? Well, some examples are an end user, so you at your computer, you're an identity. Automation accounts. These are accounts that aren't used by a user, but they do have to access resources. These can be managed identities, service principals, or service accounts. You will learn more about service principals and service accounts later on in this training. And also your device. Your device has an identity, your computer. That's how it accesses your company's resources. So, first, let's go over your project. In this project, we'll be completing for your class. It will show you not only what it's like to do daily tasks as an IAM engineer, but also to prepare you for your IAM automation projects. Some of the technologies that we'll use will be Microsoft Azure, Microsoft Entra Directory, Microsoft Forms, and Power Automate. And altogether, we'll complete a lifecycle process. Lifecycle is the beginning for a new employee. So it's the hiring, it's the onboarding, it's giving these new employees the access that they need. So to start off, we're going to start with enabling PIM, Privileged Identity Management. From there, we're going to create an admin account. You'll be using this account in order to complete all your tasks today. From there, we're going to assign some directory roles via PIM. So these roles will allow you to go ahead and complete the tasks that you need. We're going to create some conditional access policies, mainly on enforcing MFA. And finally, we're going to go ahead and automate new user creation. Some prerequisites before you start are you have to have a Microsoft 365 Business Basic account. You want to start here. This is a free account. You can sign up for it. You do need a credit card, but you will not be charged. We'll need this to utilize Power Automate and Microsoft Forms. After you sign up for your Microsoft 365 Business account, you're going to sign up for a Microsoft Azure trial. This will be needed to access your P2 licenses and Microsoft Entra, which is where most of our work will occur. Also, some best practices. Document everything that you do. Whether you use OneNote, you record it, however you want to do it, make sure you're documenting your process. Document your mistakes, troubleshooting, everything. One application that I like to use for documenting is Scribe. Also, you want to utilize a password or credential manager. This will secure your account. This will make sure that you're not using the same password for everything. So if one password gets leaked, it's not all your accounts. You can use this and a credential manager. One that I like to use and that you'll see me using during this training is 1Password. Work in Pomodoros. A Pomodoro is just a style of working. Pretty much what you're doing is you're breaking all your tasks into 25-minute increments. After you finish one 25-minute task, you're going to take a 5-minute break and then keep going. And finally, make sure you're working with your partner. Communicate with them, bounce ideas back and forth, troubleshoot with them. If you're getting stuck, sometimes talking to someone can help fix everything and figure it out. All right. With that, let's go ahead and jump into our training. We're going to start off by creating our admin account and enabling PIM.